Due to the growing concern of fundamental fairness, many Americans assume that rich people need to pay more taxes due to the numerous tax breaks. However, statistics show that the rich already pay way more taxes than the middle and lower class, and the taxes imposed against them are already high enough. According to the ideals of capitalism, the basis of the American economy, all of the assets of a company and an individual are privately controlled. So how can we, as Americans, justify higher taxes against the rich in order to take an unfair amount of money away from them that they had earned through years of hard work and investment? According to this data gathered by CNN, the top 10% have been paying an increasingly larger portion of the total federal income taxes, paying 70.6% of the taxes, while the bottom 90% of the population pays only 29.4%. This means that one American is paying $290,000 in taxes, while the other only pays $7,500 in taxes, most of which is returned to him after retirement. Vice presidential nominee Wayne Allen Root, in his article about taxes, states that it isn't just small business owners that are being discriminated against. Most of the highly paid professionals, such as doctors, lawyers, and accountants, have invested millions of dollars and many years of their lives into their education, just to have their hard-earned money redistributed to the poor by the government. According to this data gathered by the PEW Research Center, the rich pay 48.9% of the income taxes in America and receive only 2.4% of it as returns. The poor only pay 0.2% of the income taxes, and on top of that, all of the taxes paid by the lower class is returned to them after they retire, while little to no taxes are returned to the rich when they retire. The rich create the majority of the jobs in America due to their freedom to invest in startups, which then grow into large corporations that employ millions of Americans. If taxes are raised on the rich, they will lack the incentive to keep expanding their companies and providing jobs for the American population. Many argue that the rich have too much money. While this may be true, the rich have earned their wealth and deserve to keep it. Many admit that they have invested their life savings in order to start their businesses, which had a high possibility of failure. On top of that, the small business owners who took huge risks to create the 9 to 5-hour workdays for their employees also pay half of the payroll taxes, health insurance, and workers' compensation for them. In conclusion, the rich shouldn't pay more taxes due to the fact that they deserve all of the money that they have earned and already pay more money to the government than everybody else.